Cooking an omelet, how hard can it be? Welcome to the world of Alex, a culinary adventurer with a knack for chaos. One moment they're cracking an egg, the next it's an abstract art piece on the wall. A sneeze, an egg, a wall, the great sneezing debacle. Just when you think it can't get worse, down comes a flour cloud. Achoo! More sneezes, more mess. Now our hero resembles a snowy statue, a monument to kitchen catastrophes. Then the banana peel. Because why wouldn't there be a banana peel? A slip, a slide, and down goes Alex, the perfect end to a less than perfect omelet attempt. Ever have one of those days where nothing goes right? Just remember, you're not alone. Maybe next time, Alex. Maybe next time. # cooking disasters, # epic fail.